Hey, I'm Dr. Howard. Let's talk about why core workouts, your abs, and your lower back are way more important than you think. It's not just about six packs, it's about how you move through life. Your core is your body's engine. Every time you twist, bend, lift, or even stand tall, your core is working. A weak core means poor posture, back pain, and a higher risk of injury. But a strong core, that's power, control, and stability in every single move you make. I hit core workouts multiple times a week, not to look good, but to move better, stay pain-free, and to keep up with everything from lifting weights to chasing my kids around the house. If your body is a machine, your core is the engine. You don't ignore the engine. You train it, strengthen it, respect it. 10 minutes a few times a week is all it takes to change how your body feels and performs. Start today. Be consistent. Your future self will thank you. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're locking in your core days this week. Let's go.